Okay, it's the 31st of August and I'm in a very dusty field called Aerodrome. And I'm with Henry's guys who are lifting potatoes. So that's the row of potatoes down there underneath the tractor, and that's coming up here, lifting the whole bed. And that soil is going over a web. And the soil is basically being sieved out. Rollers in there as well that's sifting any bigger lumps out, and the potatoes are coming along these little belts and onto the elevator, which takes them up there and then drops them down into the trailer. Looks to be going fairly well. Lots of nice potatoes, they look a really good skin finish. Not very much dirt as well going on them. And it's being lifted in good conditions with the weather that we've had, so it's pretty perfect really for this job.